there, crafty friends. I wanted to go through this signature that I'm sending off in a swap today before I put it in the mail. So I'll show you what I did. The theme for this one is a 4-page signature, and it is a Valentine's theme for February. So of course it's all hearts and pink and red and black and white. On the cover, I put doily and some cute things and some punched out variety of different hearts. And then also here's a tuck spot for a letter to my swap partner to tell her about me. So there's trim along the side, as you see. It's a heavy duty piece of cardstock that I used for the cover. So if we go inside, I will show you that I put a pocket made out of a book page in here. And I used some distress inks to make it nice pink and then stamped it with a pink heart. I put some washi tape on it here and some sparkly tape on it here so that it was cute. And also then there's a book in here of various cards that I made that can be used as journaling. So she can write things on that. In here, a sticker to Love Is All You Need. And over here, this is one of the cute little paper clips made out of a cupcake holder. You know, the little cupcake they're not tins, they're little papers that you put cupcakes in, and then you cut a top and put some trim on it, and then you can put a little dot or whatever on the back where you have your pin, and they're just adorable. There's also a tuck spot here, and also another little booklet that is for journaling that is tucked in here. That's red, that matches real well. So let's put this little clip back on here if I can find it. Okay. And then over here is another one. I made this one out of pink. It's really cute. This is a little envelope that has some things in it. Another little card that has some hearts on it. And a little tiny card book. And here are some stickers and some more hearts and things like that. Here's a heart that can be stuck into a book that is on Haagen-Dazs stick. So that is very cute. We'll put that in there. And here's a blingy one. I didn't make that, of course. But there's a lot of cute stuff down in there for her to find. On the other side, there is another doily. And this one I lined with some flowery paper. It had pretty red flowery paper, and then I punched out some hearts from that same paper, so it's a tuck spot. And in here I put 3 different cards that have trim on them, so I thought that was kind of cute to put those in there. And the little crown sticks out. Okay, over here is the other side of it, and this is an article that I thought was nice. And then here is a flower that I made and painted it and sprayed some of that shiny spray on it. And another little book that has a variety of different cards that have been stamped and painted. And then on the back, also the same sort of trim as on the front. And another little tuck spot here with more tags. So very simple, very cute, you know, stayed within the theme. So I hope you like this and you have some ideas from it. If you would, I would appreciate it if you would like this video. Also share it with someone who may like it as well. And also subscribe to my channel, because I'll be having a lot more videos coming up, and also some that will actually be tutorials. So thanks so much for coming by and checking this out. Have a great day.